buddy. How you doing?
I feel really relaxed. Thank you, Helen. I feel excited. I feel relaxed, and I'm ready to party with the best of them. And I'm gonna go down to the river.
Wow. It looks like someone's really relaxing now.
Yeah. What are you guys talking about up here?
We're going to a restaurant tonight. I know the owner, so I.
Oh, you do? Oh, Helen knows the owner.
Miss, you cannot be up here.
Oh, hello, Grandpa. Pa, I'm sorry. I just want to be up here with my friends because I'm with this group.
The sign just went off. Can't you just stay here for like a minute?
Absolutely not. Coach passengers are not allowed up here in first class. It's policy, I'm sorry.
Oh, this is a very strict plane that I'm on. Welcome to Germany. Auf Wiedersehen, asshole.
Alright, I think it's time we took a nap.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a nap.
I think that's a good idea.
Yeah. Catch you on the flip side, motherfucker.
I'm sorry.
I'm leaving.
Thank you.
This should be open. It's civil rights. This is the 90s.
Right, you're in the wrong decade.
You are.
Okay, I am. Thank you.
Holy shit. What did you give her?
Kevin can only have sex in bed, in the dark, under the covers, only after we've showered separately. And sometimes, by the time we're finished cleaning ourselves, he's too tired. And I pretend that I'm tired, but I'm not tired, and I'm not tired.
That's why every girl needs those slutty colleges to experiment, find out what you like, get it out of your system.
Excuse me, can I have a glass of alcohol when you get the chance?
2 double 7 of 7s.
Is that?
You'll like it, it's sweet.
Miss?
No, it's not me.
Yes, it is you.
No, I'm with him. I'm Mrs. Iglesias.
No, you're not. He was just up here and you've put sunglasses on. Out.
I don't want to.
Sir, she can have my seat. Everyone should experience first class at least once in their lives. Annie shouldn't miss out just because she can't afford it.
Help me, I'm poor.
No, wait. I'm the bride. We're a whole wedding party. She's obviously nervous. The seat's empty. We'll calm her down.
Look, I understand, but I can't do that.
Everybody go back to your seats.
Okay, especially you. You got 3 seconds to get back to your seat.
You can't get anywhere in 3 seconds.
Well, you'd better try.
You're setting me up for a loss already.
Okay, thank you.
Whatever you say, Stove.
It's Steve.
What kind of name is that? Stove.
Well, that's not a name. My name is Steve.
Are you in a plane?
No, I'm a man and my name is Steve.
You're a flight attendant.
That's absolutely accurate. You can close that. Thank you.
Now, I don't want you to be a big fuck up like me.
Well, how do you think I feel?
Like me. Still time for you to change it.
No. You are more beautiful than Cinderella. You smell like pine needles and you have a face like sunshine.